Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display two time zones in your Outlook calendar. This is incredibly useful if you work with colleagues across different regions or travel frequently and need to coordinate meetings across multiple time zones. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your emails will load automatically. Now, to display two time zones in your Outlook calendar, navigate to the calendar menu located at the bottom left part of your screen. You'll see a calendar icon there, so go ahead and click on it to access your calendar view. This is where all your scheduled events and appointments are displayed. Once your calendar menu has opened, we need to configure the two time zones you wish to display. Head to the File menu at the top of your screen and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Look for Outlook options at the very bottom of this menu and click on it. This is where you can customize various settings for your Outlook experience. An Outlook options window will appear on your screen. From this window, click on the Calendar tab located on the left side menu. This tab contains all the settings related to how your calendar functions and displays information. Now, under the Calendar tab, scroll down until you find the Time Zones section. This is where you'll configure your primary and secondary time zones. In the time zone section, you'll see a field where you can enter a name for your initial time zone. Type in a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Something like home or office works well. Next, to enable two time zones, click on the checkbox that states Show a second time zone. Once you've checked this option, another field will appear where you can enter a name for your second time zone. Give it a clear label like Client Location or Travel Destination. Now, configure both time zones using the drop-down menus provided. Select which specific time zones you wish to display from the list. Once you've configured both time zones to your preference, click on OK to close the Outlook options window and save your settings. Now, to actually see these two time zones displayed on your calendar, look at the top part of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Arrange. Under this section, you can choose different display layouts for your calendar, including Day View, Work Week, Week, and Month View. From the list of options, click on Work Week. Once you do this, you'll immediately see two visible calendar time zones on your screen showing the times we just configured. This side-by-side view makes it incredibly easy to schedule meetings and coordinate across different regions without constantly calculating time differences. And that's it, you've now set up and displayed two time zones in your Outlook calendar, making cross-time zone scheduling much simpler. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.